Power outage? No problem. Crazy high electric bill? Not anymore. I replaced my entire home energy system with solar panels, a smart battery, and automation. And after 90 days, here's what I learned, what I regret, and how much money I'm actually saving. Before this project, my average electric bill was over $260 a month, especially in the summer. I had a couple of blackouts, and I was fed up. Every outage meant spoiled food, no internet, no charging, and some very sweaty nights. With rates rising every year, I knew I had to make a long-term move. After a lot of research, I chose a grid-connected hybrid smart solar PV system with lithium iron smart battery solution. The total cost before incentives was around $30,000, but with the federal tax credit, I got nearly 30% back. Installation took about 3 days. The setup includes 7.5 kilowatts solar panels, 10 kilowatt-hour battery, and a smart inverter I can monitor with my phone. The install was smoother than expected. No roof damage, no trenching. Just a few inspections and we were live. After 90 days, here's the good stuff. Month 1, my electric bill dropped to under $20. Month 2, $15. And the best part? We had a 2-hour outage last week and didn't even notice. My solar covered 92% of my usage in April. The battery gave us energy independence during cloudy days and at night. It's more than savings. It's peace of mind. The system is totally silent. I expected some noise, but it's nearly invisible day to day. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you own your home and plan to stay for 5 to 7 years. But here are 3 things I wish I knew before I started. Top 3 lessons. 1. Get multiple quotes. My first installer tried to overcharge by 30%. 2. Battery sizing matters. Don't go too small. 3. Learn your local/state incentives. I almost missed a $2,000 rebate. This system will likely pay off in 7 to 8 years. Faster if energy prices keep rising. But the benefits started on day 1. If you're thinking about going solar or want me to review a specific setup, drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. It helps more people find honest info about clean energy.